Hey there, Caitlin again from Story Speak Enterprises and the founder of the Legacy Brand Leader Curriculum and the 30-Day Challenge, which you are now a part of. So, on to video 3, and this video is going to prepare you for thinking like a CEO regarding your time. So there's a saying I have, and it is, time is all we have and money is free. Okay? Time is all we have and money is free. Now think about this paradigm shift, because when we are employees, we are thinking that we are using time to earn money. That's a very dangerous place to be, because when people carry that mindset into business ownership, they still think they're paying for time, or they're earning money in exchange for time. And the truth is, time can never be exchanged. It's the most precious gift we have. And so this is not something that you should feel like you have to trade, okay? Don't think of time as like a trade for anything. Think of time as just simply existing. It's the most valuable currency we have. Time is the currency, and money is free. So this means money is something that exists, again, inevitably being a part of this reality. Money exists, and all we have to do is ask for it. Really, we have to position ourselves and ask for it. So the illusion of an employee is that you are getting a paycheck because you give them time. Break that down and take away the understanding of time as something you work for, something that has to be given away. Okay, so imagine you're getting a paycheck now, but you're not giving your time away. You're not clocking in. Okay, so what does that feel like? Probably feels really free and confusing, right? And so you may be grasping to find, well, then what am I exchanging? What's my value? What's my worth? And this is exactly the problem that a lot of business owners run to after they start their own business. They're trying to grasp their worth. They're trying to grasp their credibility. And, well, if I'm not putting this much time into this, how can I justify a price dollar of XYZ, you know? And so it's always trying to find a reason to justify dollars for time. Once you become a CEO, the goal is always time is all we have. Time is all we have. And money comes because I ask for it, right? I have something of value, I've positioned it, and I've done the work. So now that the business can operate and make money for me, so I'm not even needing to spend my time making money because my business makes money for me, right? And so, of course, there's a lot of upfront work to this, and it comes in phases, but one day that's the ultimate goal. That is the goal, that the business is going to make money for you, and you are there to serve. You're not there to earn money. You're not there to earn anything. Okay, so keep that in mind as a CEO. You are fully qualified to show up and be paid for being, okay? Because we are all taken care of anyway, and inevitably we are all just nature. And so as humans, we do need finances, okay? Now that you have this new awareness, this new perspective, and you're no longer an employee, remember to guard your time. So this is why CEOs have executive assistants. This is why we have calendars. It's to guard our time. Okay. So you have to think about this. If you are working on your business, this should be a priority. You know, it needs to be a commitment that, okay, well, if this is a priority, and other things are important, I may have to sacrifice doing things. I may have to sacrifice going out with friends one night. I may have to sacrifice buying something so I can invest in this business tool instead, you know? And so really guard your time as an asset, a valuable gem that you can never get back. So, and remember, whatever we spend our time on is going to return to us in the future as money, okay? That's the true value of time. How we spend our time, the actions we take, will dictate the financial revenue in the future, okay? So we're not relying on our paychecks anymore. We're not relying on doing monotonous tasks to make money per hour or per task anymore. No. Now we created a business model. We're creating a pricing structure that's going to be value-based, and no one can justify it with hours or time. That's not how it works. What it's going to justify it is the projected expenses of business. I don't have an income that I'm getting and then I budget it out. You have no income per se as a business owner. You have projected expenses, and the income you know that will come based on the actions you take. This is why CEOs are so manic about their time and protect it at all costs, because if we do not spend our time doing XYZ, then we're not going to reap the benefits, okay, in the future to meet our projected expenses, or to surpass our projected expenses, and our business will fail. So it's really having that sober talk with yourself and that reality of like, okay, this is what it takes. Like, you have to get in the mindset of, I'm burning all ships, I'm burning all bridges. This is my plan A, and there is no plan B. You want to be in this full time one day, you have to have that mindset and be ready for that reality, okay? That's a really important thing to grasp, is the reality of time. That is really truly all we have, okay? So if you can really grasp that, you're going to see an immense change in how you begin spending your time, right? So this is really where we step out of the consumer role and step out of the employee role and really embrace the inner leader to show us what we need to be doing differently. And remember, again, if you have this vision of legacy, you already know this. You just have to remember it. So really call on your inner leader to show you, you know, and so thank you so much for watching this video. The next video, we're going to talk about a relationship with money that changes as a CEO. Thank you for guarding your time as a very valuable asset, the most valuable asset you have. And I'm cheering you on, and I'll see you in the next video.